Hi, I'm Kirly-Sue, and today we're making those upside down pastries that have been trending all over social media. They're really easy to make and they're tasty, so let's get on with making them.
So to make these upside down apple pastries, you basically need, obviously, some puff pastry. I've got some here that you unroll. Be careful because sometimes it can break, and you just need to cut it into squares. So I'm going to measure it. Let me see. So I mean, you don't have to be accurate, I just decided to myself. So yeah, so I'm just making mine 5 inches wide. You can use a ruler if you want to make it super accurate, but I'm just kind of eyeballing it. And then we're just going to go halfway down the middle, which is about here. Yeah, that's fine. So we're going to put that to one side for the moment. Then on a lined baking tray, you're going to do a squirt of, I've got agave syrup. You can use anything similar. So you use agave syrup, and then you put the apples already sliced on top, just like that. Then you're going to get one of those pastry squares and put it over it. Actually, I think I've cut these too big. Let me see. Yeah, just need half of that. So press that down, and then you're going to get a fork and crimp the edge. Like that. You want to push it down so that the center doesn't ooze out. Yeah, just like that is fine. Just give it another press to make sure it's all encased, and then you keep going until you've used up all of the pastry and the mixture. A different variation you can do is you can use some raspberries as well instead. I'm going to make a raspberry one here. I'm going to put a tiny sprinkle, just a pinch of sugar on top of each one, just like that. And then these are now ready to go into the oven. They go into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Once they've baked, remove them from the oven and allow them to cool. Now that they're cooled, let's turn them over. There you go, voila. Do they not look amazing? just flip it over like this. It smells delicious. Okay, and then this is the raspberry one for the alternative flavour. Ooh. There you have it. Our apple upside down puff and the raspberry upside down puff. I'll just hold one up a little closer so you can see it. Now all we need to do is taste.
So now that we've finished making them, let's try one. So here we have it. Very nice. It's just such a simple dessert, so quick and easy to make. Actually, I'm gonna make these one day for my church because I usually bake for my church. Sometimes I do cupcakes, but this would be something interesting to do as an alternative one week. So I'll make these one week. See, I'm going to be held to it now because some of the people from my church watch my YouTube channel. So I know they're going to say, when are you making them? That was super easy to make. You just can't go wrong with them. If you do make them and follow the recipe, post a picture on Instagram and tag me. Here's my Instagram. And that's it. If you have any ideas of anything you would like me to make, comment it in the comment section below. Please hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.